In front of me is OPPO Reno 15F, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to tap on Home Screen, Lock Screen and Style. Then scroll again, this time to select Font, and pick any of those font styles. You can check out Preview at the top. Once you finish, just hit Apply. As you can see, after a few seconds, style of my font has changed. If you want to, you can also go into Theme Store app, select Fonts at the top, and pick any of those to apply. Then hit Apply button and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!